What's up, guys? So today we're working on my sister's JL. Someone kind of cut her off in the middle of the road. She clipped the mailbox, so the mirror obviously got torn off, as you can see, and all the wires are out. So we got a new mirror for it. So I'm just going to show you guys how to replace the mirror. It's really simple, so we're just going to show you how to do it. All right, so on the inside here we have 3 T40 Torx bolts that we're just going to take out. Okay, so now we're just gonna pull it out. You can see we have wires here, so we're gonna take this tape, peel that up, and then you're just gonna push right here, pull out the plug, and then we got the old one out. We got the new mirror here. We're just gonna plug it back in. So you hear a nice click. And you're just gonna set it. You can use this tape here again and just retape it back on. Okay, now we're just gonna dip it down and then up like that. Back in here and do these by hand, just get them started. So there we go, pretty simple. The JKs were a little bit harder to do. You kind of had to fish the cord through, but it's nice they put a plug on this, which is super awesome. So, but yeah, so anyway guys, hopefully this video helped you out. If you broke your mirror off, now you know how to just easily replace it. Helped you. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.